Hey guys, Anytime Fitness, Brandy here. I just wanted to let you know some information about our hip and glute machine. It is one of the ones that are avoided quite often or asked about often. So right here, you can do 4 different exercises on this one machine. Makes it very convenient. Right here is where you will select your weight. You have to adjust to adjustments here. Right here, you adjust for your height. I personally put mine on number 2. And then you have to adjust this depending on which exercise you're doing, on which height you need, because that is also compared to your height. So the first one I'm going to show you works your glute. You're going to put your leg over top of it and you are going to push back. Then you're going to adjust it again, and then and you can do it from the side, working that hip, putting their leg against the side of it, and you're raising upward. And another glute one, you can put in front of your knee, and you're raising forward. And then the one other one, once again, you're going to put your leg over top of it, leg out, pulling it all the way across to you. And then when you're ready to do your other leg, you just swing it on over to the other side. Thank you for joining us at Anytime Fitness. See you soon.